This video right here has gained me 2,200 subscribers. But here's the thing, it was not doing anything the first 90 days. In the next couple of minutes, I am going to show you how you can gain 1,000 to 2,000 subscribers on your channel in a short amount of time. I'm going to show you what I did and how you can do it also coming up next. Hey, so welcome back to my channel. Before I begin, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because you're going to want to make sure that you see the videos coming your way, especially if you're trying to grow your platform. Make sure you give this video a like and share it with someone who could also use this knowledge as well. This is why you should be taking advantage of YouTube Shorts and not just making any short. I'm going to show you exactly how detailed they should be, especially if you want to skyrocket your views and grow your channel. Check this out. I am going to do a screen recording so you can follow along. So right here I have how to go viral on TikTok. As you see, I made this video April 27th, 2022. Here's the thing. When we click on analytics, you will see that this video right there under 120,900 views did not take off until later. If we look at the first 7 days, the video was doing nothing. As we look at the first 24 hours, it had a little growth, but you know, reels tend to grow for a second depending on if they're, reaching a wider audience or if they're getting picked up on the YouTube algorithm or featured on the shorts shelf. Now, 28 days into making the video, it kind of goes lateral and then it tanks. But after about, and even 90 days, tanked. But a year later, the video just starts creeping and skyrocketing. In 2024, it's slowly going down, but let me tell you this. When we look at this right here, July of, and actually does it say what year? July of 2023, August, September, October, November, December. It just kept growing and growing and growing. Now, I made this video in 2022. Here's what I'm saying. You want to make sure if you're making shorts from your long form content, you are giving it a good description because this video went viral a year and a half later because it was searchable. How to go viral on TikTok, right? And then, of course, when you go into the description, I go down to the tags of the video, and it has all of the tags. Now, mind you, some of the tags say 2022, but I could probably go in there and put it to 2023, 2024, but I'm not going to do that. Why? Because this video right here has gained me 2,200 subscribers. But here's the thing. It was not doing anything the first 90 days. It took off for about 30 minutes and then it died down. Right after the 90 days going into that year, that's when it took off. You never know when a video or a short is going to take off. But if you know what you're talking about, if you study your topic or your craft, and you make sure to give your title a good description, come up with a good title, give the description, make sure it's detailed so that when people are searching for things, your video pops up. Your video is what shows up in the search results. Now you will see at 59 seconds, people tend to drop off, and that's because the video is 1 minute. It's a short. But look, they're watching the whole video. Now, this is what I want to show you in real time. In the last 2 days, 48 hours, 912 views in the last 2 days. This is 2024. I made this video 2 years ago. Now, if we click on that and just to see within the last 60 minutes, 27 views in the last 60 minutes. You can never go wrong on your channel when you create evergreen content. What is evergreen content? That means no matter what the season is, no matter day or night, summer, winter, spring, fall, no matter what's going on in the world, your topic is always something that people are going to search for. So this one right here, how to go viral on TikTok, it doesn't matter what's happening in the world, whether you graduated from high school, whether you failed, whether you flunked out, whether you got pregnant, married, people are trying to figure out how to go viral on TikTok. So whatever it is that your channel is about, what can you come up with that's an evergreen topic to where no matter what's going on in the world or in your life, people are still going to search for a video that you made and the knowledge still applies today? That's evergreen. Right there, YouTube search. 24 people typed up how to go viral on TikTok. Now you would think, yeah, maybe there's a lot of competition. There's a ton of people, making videos on how to go viral on TikTok. So what made mine stand out? Let's go ahead and click on it. Now we'll pause it right there. At the very top of the video, it's in typed with a background, how to go viral on TikTok. So even if you're just watching this on the YouTube shelf, even if you just see it and you don't even know who I am, it shows you on the face of the video what it's about. Ooh, I want to go viral on TikTok. Let me click on that. When you click on it, obviously it has 6,300 likes. I did not expect to get that. Now, the video fits my color scheme of my channel. It's a bluish, I have a color scheme of my channel, which is kind of blue, a lot of different shades of blue. HD quality camera. And I'm serious about what I'm saying. I'm going to show you the art of blowing up on TikTok. And then as you see, there's a call to action right there. So this video got over 2,000 subscribers. Even though it took off later, I grabbed this from a long form video, made it into a short, but the short still has the call to action. Hey, if you want to know how to go viral or grow on YouTube, TikTok, click the subscribe button, right? And of course, I pieced it together and made it into a short. Number one. Now, you can go and find this video. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but I hit a few bullet points right off the bat. Straight into the point. There's nothing like taking forever to get to the point like some long form videos do. Like maybe you felt like this video took too long to get to the point. That's why you got shorts. Okay, so in this, I get straight into the point, and it's something that people can walk away with and say, you know what? Okay, yeah, I can do that. Now, when you talk about money, obviously it's not in the millions, so I have not made a lot of money on this video. We'll scroll over. I've only made $8.16 on a video that has 120,000 views. Now, I will take that any day because the only time I had a video that had 2.2 million views and it was a short, it was someone else's video, but I did a duet. And then, of course, that video got taken down because it was a copyright issue. But to make your own video and it goes viral or gets that many views, that's a win-win, right? And now there's a feature where YouTube lets you tag what original video this came from. Now, I don't think I've done that yet, but I'll do that with you guys watching. Related video right there in the middle. Look, I haven't selected that yet, but I'm gonna do it right now. Now, obviously, oh man, we're talking about a long time ago. I might do that later because I gotta find the right video, so I'll do that later so I don't mess it up. But you want to make sure that you tag the video. You want to make sure that the description is simple, it's understandable, it's searchable. I've said in a lot of my videos, and other people have said it as well, if you never want to work another day in your life, or if you want to grow your channel, always have the answer to something people are searching for. And you'll never work another day in your life, or you'll never have a problem growing your channel or your platform. Now, when I say never work another day in your life, there are some limitations to that. What do you currently have going on as far as family? But now if you're by yourself, if you're single, and if you have nothing You can honestly never work for anyone else if you have the answer or a few answers to what people are looking for and searching for, and you're the solution. So think about that, chew on that. We can dive more into this in other videos later. If this has given you any type of insight or encouragement or any type of wisdom that you probably didn't have already or before, make sure you comment that below. Let me know, what are your thoughts on this video? Are you making shorts? Has any of your shorts got over 100,000 views? Let me know. Like this video, share it with someone, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video.